The winter months can often mean snow, cold, and trucks that won't start. Hard starts, no starts, battery replacements, and jump starts are common when cold weather hits. The best way to increase the odds of starting a truck on a cold morning is to have fully charged batteries every time a driver turns the key, and that's the job of the charging system. Trucks rely on the charging system to ensure batteries are completely charged every time the vehicle is turned off, particularly at the end of the day. We recommend performing the following maintenance check on the trucks in your fleet to ensure the charging system is ready to perform its job. First, check the belts, pulleys, and drive system. Inspect the belts for cracks or unusual wear. Check belt tensions to verify the tensioner is functioning correctly. And finally, check the pulleys for slippage or any unusual wear pattern. Next, check the tightness of the mounting bolts and re-torque to manufacturer's specifications. After that, visually inspect the rectifier fins for dirt or clogging. If necessary, blow the fins out with compressed air so you don't have early diode failures because of heat buildup in a dirty rectifier set. Finally, perform a voltage drop test on the cables. Stay at no more than half of a volt loss from the alternator's terminals to the battery's terminals at full rated alternator output. If you're unfamiliar with how to perform a voltage drop test, contact Delco Remy at 1-800-372-0222. You can also visit us online at www.delcoremy.com.